तुझको इतना बताए कोई, कैसे तुझसे दिल ना लगाए कोई। रब्बा ने तुझको बनाने में कर दी है हुस्न की खाली तिजोरियां, काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं। पतझड़ के मौसम में भी रंगी चनारों जैसी झनके सन्नाटों में तू वीणा के तारों जैसी। सदियों से भी लंबी ये मन की अमावस्या है, और तू फुलझड़ियों वाले त्योहारों जैसी। चंदा भी दीवाना है तेरा, जलती है तुझसे सारी चकोरियां, काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं। तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे। किया रे जो भी तूने कैसे किया रे, जिया को मेरे बांध ऐसे लिया रे, समझ के भी ना समझ मैं सकूं सवेरों का मेरे तू सूरज लागे। तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले मुझे, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया। दिल के नगर में शहर तू बसा ले पिया। छूने से तेरे हाँ तेरे हाँ तेरे फीकी रुतों को रंग लगे, तेरी दिशा में क्यों चलने से मेरे पैरों को पंख लगे। रहा ना मेरे काम का जग सारा, हो बस तेरे नाम से ही गुजारा, उलझ के यूं ना सुलझ न सकूं। जुबानियाँ तेरी झूठी भी सच लागे, तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे। अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले मुझे, अपना बना ले पिया। ओ सब कुछ मेरा चाहे, नाम अपने लिखा ले, बदले में इतनी तो यारी निभा ले। जग की हिरासत से मुझको छुड़ा ले अपना।
Yes, so every day, morning, then comes the lunch, high tea, dinner, everything was different and everything was so very tasty. Oh, wow. So everybody enjoyed wedding so much as they enjoyed the food.
Thank you, very close to nature and what coming here.
All I'm going to say is we better be invited to a lot of weddings at this venue in the future. Okay? Thank you guys. Shukriya.
तेरे वर्गा ता मैनू कोई दसदा नहीं, मैं पहलाया बड़ा दिल किते लगदा नहीं। तेरे रंग दारा मिले सितारा वे यारा, तेरे बिन मैं ता सारा वे रंग सजना। मानदा नहीं ये दिल तेरे लिए हर पल तेरी खैर मंगदा रहे। तू जो नैना च पिलाया शराबी रंग लाया, तेरे इश्क च होया मैं मलंग सजना। तेरी डोरियां नू लेके दिल आगे ते बहके अज उठदा है जैसे कि पतंग सजना। तू जो नैना च पिलाया।
Obviously, we're very, very thankful that all of you are here, not just today, but yesterday, day before. Our hearts are so full. Thank you all from the bottom of our hearts. We are surrounded by the warmth of your presence over the last few days. They've been truly magical, and I've loved this opportunity of being able to spend this time with all of you. Honestly, getting in the pool so many times, I didn't think we could spend that much time in the pool as the bride and groom, but we did, and it was so much fun. So thank you all for those memories. And first, Mom and Dad, none of this would have been possible without you two. You both have put in so much work and effort and been doing homework for almost 2 years now. सबको पता है हम लोग मतलब पिछले 5-6 साल से बोल रहे थे शादी होगी शादी होगी शादी होगी. You were gonna get married, right? Well, Mom and Dad took the initiative upon themselves, and Mom especially, every time she got so obsessed with this wedding and planning that she started a new clinic in Jaipur. And she would come to Jaipur every month, scope out a few different wedding destinations, and that was her side hobby. Or that was her main job, and the side hobby was running a cosmetic clinic. So, thank you, Mom. You must have visited over 100 different resorts, right? And you finally found like 10, Mom shortlisted about 10 resorts, and then she showed Mimansa when she was visiting last year. And as soon as Nick saw this place, she was like, that's it, we're not going to see anything else. This is where we're going. But Mom and Dad, you guys have been working so hard on this, and we truly, truly appreciate this. Thank you both. And same goes for Amina. He knows that he's pretty much unavailable most of the days, but some days when he's here, He takes care of everything. So thank you, brother, for always being there for me. Especially spending that week in London. Especially with my nephew, Tazi, which is a cat, before anyone thinks anything else. Next off, to the Thakur family. Mummy, Papa, and Krishna. You guys have been such a strong source of warmth and positivity in my life over these last 10 years that I've almost known you. Right? Mummy, you already know this, but when I was friends with Sonu in college, you used to send extra food in her tiffins back to UNH. She knew that, she had a friend. Sorry if some of your family members don't know this, but she knew that she had a friend, and she was like, okay, I'll just send you a little bit of extra food every time, because I was in New Hampshire on the other side of the world, far away from my parents and my family, and they made me their family. I can't ask for anything more. Thank you guys. I have to keep referring to the notes, because there are so many people we want to thank. Next up, the TBRF family, Tej Bahadur family. You guys are our heart and soul. This family has taught me so much, and these are the values that I try to bring to my life moving forward, right? I've learned how to love, I've learned how to respect elders. In fact, today, Vinod Baba gave us this prescription pad note of Dr. Tej Bahadur, which was so emotional and so touching to know that that was the same thing that my great-grandfather used to write on. So, to the entire TBR family, thank you all so much. Love you guys. And now a smaller subsection of the TBR family, my RKF family. Okay, the loudest ones in here, even though there's only like 7 of us right now. But no, seriously, I love you guys so much. Whether that's, planning Sangeet events for 2 a.m. or talking to us, coming to visit us in Boston and just taking care of everything, or helping me do all the work possible at BT, wherever you are, helping me do all the work possible in the last 3 months on InLab. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Yash, Dr. Bhavani, you guys are such a strong part of my heart. And organizing and hosting that pool party was a lot of fun, thanks to you both. All the love that you guys have showered upon us, and the good food. Badima's a great cook. So seriously, thank you guys so much. And Shalu Chachi, my very, very loving Chachi. I don't know how one person has this much love, but thank you for all the love. Alright, next up, Nimuba Paravar, my one and only loving ma, my Wali ma. बात करने पर खबर से तब हमारा माटे कितना important show અને આ વર્ષે like I spent 3-4 દિવસ તમારી સાથે spend કર્યા મને એટલું ગમ્યું and I'm so happy. Thank you for everything. Masa Masi, you guys also flew in all the way from New York with such a busy schedule, like parties going on at your house, religious functions going on everywhere, and you still took the time out and came here. Thank you. Thank you. Asit Mama, Bharat Mami, you guys are also so important to us. Thank you for visiting and thank you for enjoying us. And Raju Mama, Mami and Bhavik left, but they all have been such a strong source of all the help for this wedding as well. So, love them, and I wish they hadn't gone tonight. But it's okay. Show must go on, right? Okay. Next up is our amazing MSRMC gang. Amina and I and Nulansa, we live so far away from our parents. It's difficult for us to ever, go back home and see them struggle with anything, right? But we know that they have these friends who are like family, who are maybe even more just so valuable to us. It keeps us so happy and confident that no matter what happens, mom and dad have like 35 other family members who'll be there at one call at 2 a.m. with their Louise ready to rock, right? And then I also want to thank the rest of the Mansa's family as well, all the extended members. You guys have all flown in from so many different places. You've taken the 14-hour bus ride with so many people that it's been amazing to have you, get to know you more. हमारे लोगों के साथ party करने में मजा आया मुझे, and I hope you guys also enjoyed partying with my side of the family. Okay, can't wait for more. And then next up is my loving friends. All of you guys, our friends mean the world to us. We are so happy that all of you traveled from, let's see, which countries? Canada, Uganda, India. So it's like 4 or 5 different countries that people have traveled from. Although India, I guess, is not really traveling in from another country, but still appreciate all of you being here from all around the world and spending this time with us. There's too many of you to list off one by one, so you already know I'm going to do that at the after party. So stay tuned for that at the Maharati Suite.
Yes.
Yeah, tonight's after party. MSRMC gang, you're invited too. And any other family members. Okay. And now, who else? The one and only DNCC team. DNCC team and InLab team, you guys have worked so hard. And today, all of you will see what they've been working hard on. Alright, so I'll show you guys a couple of awesome things that the entire team's been working on. And we're really excited to present this new exciting products of you. And finally, to the love of my life, the Mansa Thakur. But seriously, in September, I think on September 9th or 6th, September 8th, she's better with memory than I am. On September 8th, 2023, so in about a month from now, it'll be 10 years since we met each other. 10 years. And I can say this without a doubt that Amansa has truly been the best part of the last decade for me. She's helped me through all my ups and downs. And you know, I'm sure a lot of you know the struggles of being away from your family, away from your loved ones. And it's difficult, right? But to find a person that can support you through all of that, and with such a cute smile, and I just have no words to describe how you make me feel. Thank you, man. Okay, so anyway, emotional yappy speeches are all over now. It's time for some fun. We're gonna do some pictures with everyone. But before that, I want to unveil maybe the one final surprise for tonight. Okay? So, we have a return gift for everyone. And the first part in that return gift is something that we found locally in Jaipur because we want to support local businesses. And we also want you guys to take back something you can remember this wedding by. Don't worry, we haven't put our names on it or hashtag this, hashtag that. But I do think that every time you see it, you'll remember this wedding. And I'll show you why. So, the first item is a Namaste wall decoration piece. And obviously Namaste, because Abu Bakar Konate has been hounding me to get this for him. Everyone's got it, don't worry, but you can get this one, first one. And this also has elephants, so take it, come take it. Hey! about this is that, do you want to share, AK?
Sure.
Alright, come on. AK is one of my closest friends. We studied together at UNH, University of New Hampshire. Random state school on the other side of the world. But we became really good friends, and that was 10 years ago, bro. And here we are today. So tell them why this is so valuable to you.
So, again, thank you first of all for having me here. I've lost my voice, as you can tell. This has been an incredible wedding. I never thought I could go to a wedding as such. It's been beautiful. Everyone has been super nice to us. The country has been great. But, long story short, I came here, the first thing I learned was Namaste, talking to people, sort of saluting them and whatnot. It was sort of like a great way to introduce yourself and whatnot and talk to people. And we went to a restaurant for the first time. We had breakfast. We did breakfast. It was super cool. It was really nice. And then I saw this on the wall. And from that day on, the elephant actually reminds me of my home country. I'm originally from Guinea, West Africa. So yeah, that's right. So elephants are actually a symbol in my country as well. And so in adding that to Namaste, as the Indian culture, really means a lot to me. So I've had a great time here, and I'll remember this forever. So I appreciate it.
Alright, thank you, AK. He didn't say the best part of the story though. He went to Colaba Causeway to find it on Independence Day with like hundreds of thousands of people out on the streets. He had been texting me every single day. And mind you, I'm planning a wedding and helping 30 American people shop for Indian clothes. And he's texting me every day, yo, where can I find this elephant with a namaste? And then, lo and behold, we found it in Jaipur, so we wanted to get it. So that's the first one. And everyone's gonna get one of these, every family. And now the second item that we've been working on is, as a few of you know already, Mom, Dad, Amitabh, Navansa and I, we've been working on this small side startup venture company called InLab. InLab is where we are customizing skincare products, and we're going to use dermatologists and our skin expert doctors to clinically customize your skincare products over the internet, over voice or video call, and we're going to use AI to test all your facial features and basically prescribe custom skincare for you. So you never have to worry about which cleanser to use, which moisturizer, what sunscreen, what peel. We'll customize all of that and send a package to you at home every month. And all of you will receive the first package of InLab. So in this package, I'll give you a quick demo. We have 4 items. Before that, look at the box. Amazing, amazing, beautiful, right? And the box has the hashtag Ek Pyar Ka Lagna Hai. Alright? Yeah, we went really custom on this. And then as soon as you open it, let me make sure it's all in there. As soon as you open it, you see 4 products. Alright? We have a cleanser, we have a moisturizer, we have a sunscreen gel, and we have a party peel. So next time you go out for a party, use that before, okay? But all of you will be receiving 1 box for each family, so you can sample it out as a family and give us the feedback. We put instructions on how to use it, and we put our Instagram QR code as well, so like and follow us. Alright? And with that, I just want to thank you all once again for being here and for celebrating this wedding with us. Let's have one last amazing party tonight.
Will just going to be. So we'll just start with the gifts. Gifts.
मैनू रब मिलिया सब मिलिया जब तू मिलिया मैनू हज मिलिया रज रज मिलिया मैनू जब मिलिया है तू मैनू रब मिलया मैनू सब मिलया मैनू जब मिलया है तू मैनू हक मिलया रूह तक मिलया मैनू जब मिलया है तू तेरा होना एक सपना लगदा बस एक तू ही अपना लगदा तेरे बिना हुण नहीं जी लगना वे ओ सोहणिया मेरे सोहणिया मैनू नहीं जीना तेरे बिना ओ सोहणिया मेरे सोहणिया मैनू नहीं जीना तेरे बिना तू 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 है तू 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 है ओ तू 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 है तू 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 है रात दा मेरा मैं तू ही चन्न मेरा है देख कितना सोना रब ने साथ लिख दिया है अब ये ख्वाब टूटे ना साथ अब ये छूटे ना कस के तू थाम लेना पिया हर सांस तेरे नाम में कर दूं गम सारे तेरे खुद में ही भर लूं रहना बस मेरे रूबरू ओ सोहणिया मेरे सोहणिया मैनू नहीं जीना तेरे बिना ओ सोहणिया मेरे सोहणिया मैनू नहीं जीना तेरे बिना
मेरा यार मेरी दौलत मेरा यार ही तबाही मेरा प्यार दोनों के हक में देता है गवाही मेरा यार मेरी शोहरत मेरा यार ही रसवाई मेरा प्यार दोनों के हक में देता है गवाही
ओ एक ही जन्म एक ही जन्म में दे दिशा तो खुशियाँ रब्बा मेरे मैं तगड़ खा के मर जावा ओ